Hi, Miss M here. I'm going to show you how to save your work in Scratch. It's really saving automatically, but when you have a new project, you want to give it a title. So up here in this bar where my cursor is, you're going to type in there and highlight, and then you can put in name, design, or animate a name, or whatever you want to call it. I don't have any code here right now, but I'm going to pretend, right? So let's say I do have something happening here. And I'll just animate a letter. All right, so my letters are up here. And I'm gonna grab a letter. All right, now the cat's on my screen, so I'm gonna click down here where the sprites are and click on the trash can to delete the cat. All right, so here's my letter. That's gonna be my project. And let me give him some code. So I'm gonna click the events and I'm gonna click when green flag is clicked and drag over a sound, play sound, not meow. Let's find the sounds tab up here. And then I want to change that meow. So let's say I'm going to find something for that. Here we go. Okay, here's, okay, so I'm going to do this cheer. I'm going to go back to the code. And now under this play sound meow, if I click that down arrow, it's going to say gold cheer. And I select that. Now, when you click on the green flag, okay, so let's say that's my project. Okay, so now I am going to go up here and I've already written in name design, and I'm going to click up here on the orange share button. And now you can see my project. If you click on the green, and right over here under instructions, you can type in your instructions. Click on green flag to start. Okay. And then, oh, it wants me to say click on the green flag. Okay, proper English. Down here, if it was a remix, a project you borrowed from somebody else and are working on, you would give them credit for their work. And now, so now I have it saved and it says name design. And then I'm gonna go down here and click add to studio. All right, so now other people can see it and remix it. And then right here is copy link. So if I want to share it with other people, I can click on copy link. Over here is my link. So click on copy link. When it highlights, it's been copied. And then I can close that box. I can take that link over to Microsoft Teams or email or, you know, wherever I want to share that project, and I can Control V, paste that in here. And then well, I want to send it, but I'm way down at the bottom of my page. All right. And then hit enter or send a little airplane, and you will send that out to your class or your friends or whoever. You could put it in their email, whatever. Okay, so back on Scratch. A couple other things that you might need to know. If you want to find a past project that you were working on, you can come up here to where your login name is and click on that down arrow and then click on my stuff. And under my stuff, you will see all the past projects that you've been working on. And then you just click on one that you want to bring up. And there's your project. So you can, if you want to get, right now, this is in like the run version that your viewers would see. But if you want to get in there and change the code, you're going to come over here and click on See Inside. And now you have access to the code. And again, just be sure that you're on the sprite that you want to work on. So right here, it shows that this code goes with the bee. So when I click on the flag, the bee is going to do something. All right. And then you remember your sprites are down here. So it's kind of off my screen on this computer. Okay. So if you want to change and work on a different sprite, you have to click on that and you'll see it highlighted. So now it's on the E. So the code that when I click this green flag, it's going to affect the letter E, because each of these letters, I'm going to click on this is the A. All right. Each of these letters has different code attached to it. All right. Have a great time, and we'll test these out in class and share them. And great job for getting this far.